Do you want to learn how to use layers in Instadoodle? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first, head over to instadoodle.app. I have a link in the description. You can check it out. And if you buy from it, I'm going to get a small commission. So inside this, you will create a new project. And once you have created it, go inside it. And inside this, you're going to find doodles on the left. Click on layers, which is over here. Click on it. And this is all your layers inside this project, first scene. So maybe if I move this ABC on here, I will see that this ABC is now above this logo that is behind it. Now, what if I want that logo to come on top of this ABC? To do that, this is the logo which I'm talking about. As I click on here, it's going to select it. So to move it, I can move it up like this. And now our ABC is below this logo. And I can show you that if I move this, this confirms it that this layer is now below this. And same as this, I can make changes to any of them. For example, this hat is on top of this. And if I want to move this under the C character, I can move this down. And there you go. And now that was for moving one layer behind another layer that way. And you can also do the same thing. If I click on here and I right click it, I can bring it forward or bring it backwards like that. And it's going to, when I say bring backwards, it's just going to move that one layer to the end. So it's just going to move it behind every other element. And I can move it up like this. And next to this, we have this, which is like an eye icon. I can click on it and it's going to disable that and it's going to hide it from our project. And I can enable it again. Next to it, we have lock icon. I can lock this element. So I'm not going to be able to move it around. And next to this, we have duplicate. I can duplicate this. So there will be two of these. And there's a delete option, which is going to delete it. And that's it. This is how to use layers in Instadoodle. If you found this video helpful, let me know with a like and comment. And if you want a full tutorial on it, there will be a playlist that will pop up on the right. You can click it and you will find all the tutorials on Instadoodle. You will also find a full tutorial on it. So check it out and see you there.